Hey guys, it's Di from Bags for Bubbles, and I wanted to share the bag that I've been using the most recently. So this is the Coach Leah Satchel, and I actually found this at the Orlando outlet when we were recently in Orlando to go to Disney World. And as I'm sure you guys know, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, I really enjoy bags that have two handles and then a longer strap. I just gravitate towards that style of bag. I think that it's just easy to use and I like it. So that's the reason why I get a lot of bags that have that style. So the Leah is no exception. It's got the two handles and they can fold down, which I like that when I'm wearing it crossbody. The strap is super long and it is adjustable, so you can put it on a longer stretch or a shorter one, and I kind of wear it in the middle because I am fairly short and it works out well for me. It does have the zipper on the top, which I like. Most of the time I do actually use it with the zipper open, but I can, if I'm like, you know, in a more populated area or whatever, I can zip it closed. And this strap is also detachable, which I like when the straps detach as well. So I've got plenty of room down inside for all of my essentials, and I also got my wallet at the Coach outlet as well. I got a different wallet when I picked up this bag. This is one that I've had for a while. I've just been kind of lazy about changing out of my wallets, but this French purse style wallet works really, really well. I really, really like it. It's easy to get all of your cards and cash out, and then it's got a separate area in the back here for coins. And I even stick like Starbucks gift cards, and there's some cash in there, and just whatever ends up in there is great. So I'm going to just show you what's inside. So this is what's inside of my bag, and we're going to take everything out, look at it. So of course my wallet, which I just showed. I also have down in here, there is an Evian face spray. I like spraying this on my face. I get these at Sephora. I just use these to like refresh my face in the middle of the day. If I've been at work all day long or whatever. I have some Diff sunglasses. I really like Diff. I'm getting a couple more pairs of those. I've got my keys, and then I've also got my trusty card case, which I've had for years. If you watch my videos for any length of time, you can watch videos from like, I'm sure 4 or 5 years ago, and I have this violet card case. I just really like it. I was looking on Fashion File for a pink color that's now been discontinued. They do have one that's kind of like a similar pink. I just really like the Vernis, so to go for, I got this at the Beaches Turks and Caicos conference that I went to. It's a dry bar brush. I love using this for travel, so I've just been tossing that down inside. My purse, I was keeping at my desk at work, but now that I'm working from home, I just toss it in my purse to have it wherever I go. I've got one of these little stretchy hairband things. My kids are crazy about those, and so I've started really liking those as well, so I keep one of those in my bag. I also have a couple cards, just because you never know who you're going to run into when you're out. A pen. I usually have more Buxom glosses, but I just actually had to reorder from Sephora, so I've got this little mini one. And I usually have 1 or 2 full-size ones as well, and then some Listerine strips and a pen. So you can see it's really great size to fit everything down inside. I like the pocket in the back. It doesn't zip, so it doesn't keep anything private, but you could always, you know, bring a makeup case for that. So it's a really good size to hold everything in. It's worked out really well for me, and I'll probably be switching out of it soon just because my job has changed just a little bit. But it has really worked. We went to Florida in March, so I've been using it for about 2 months. I haven't been switching out of bags as frequently, but I have a feeling coming up soon. I'm going to start changing into bags more often, you know, just switching it up a little bit more often, maybe trying to start matching my outfit. Obviously, you can tell I've been going for very neutral bags that kind of go with everything. That's why I really like this gray color, and I have a number of gray bags because they kind of go with everything. But, if you don't watch my other channel, I'm starting to work from home. I'm in the middle of getting licensed to do real estate. So the exciting part is 1, I'll have more family time, and 2, I'll have more flexible schedule, but 3, I'll have more mental space for doing some things for myself, which, you know, changing in and out of bags and things like that. I'm finally hitting the point where I feel like I can think about that again, so that's cool. So let me know if you have any questions down below. I know recently on the Coach outlet website, they've had the Leah style in a number of different colors, not this same gray. I only saw this in store, but they have had this same style in a number of, you know, different colors for spring and summer. So if you guys are looking for this bag, you might check out the coachoutlet.com and see if it is still on there. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.